How to remove bubble gum from your car. You see, we have oil, cooking oil. If you got an accident, somebody put a bubble gum, or you drop a bubble gum on your car or anywhere, just get some oil, put it in a paper towel, and in this car somebody put bubble gum on the dash of the car. So I'm gonna show you how to take the bubble gum out. You see it? That's bubble gum. So you put the oil on it, okay? You rub it, okay? And the oil starts to come out. That way you do not destroy your stuff. It works in leather seats. It works in a lot of stuff. Just get it wet, get the oil on it, rub it, and that will start to go away. Just keep rubbing. In this case it's plastic. I can use another stuff on it, but I remember when I was a kid I used to go to sleep or fall to sleep chewing bubble gum. In the mornings that bubble gum was in my ear, in my hair, so my mom always grabbed this oil and it just wipes right out. So this bubble gum has been here for a long time, and now it's coming out. So like I say, if you get in your seats, just get it wet with the oil, and then you can wash the oil away. That's it. It wipes. This one has been there for a long time, so I gotta work it out a little bit more. But as you can see, it's it's coming out. That's good. Over here on the top, that where it's been, the sun we've been hitting it. It's been there for years. So this is not something that you're gonna take out in a couple minutes, unless that happened yesterday. In this case. So I'm just gonna keep rubbing it, and it's coming out. Oh my god, another bubble gum on that side. What's up with these people with bubble gums? Okay, scrub it. Okay, you got most of it. This one I'm gonna put more oil on it. Well, yeah, that's how we got it out. I'm gonna put some drops of cooking oil on this one, so start working himself out, so we can get it out. Okay, we have almost all the bubble gum out, so we end up just keep going and cleaning the rest of the dash, but just a little tiny bit that's still fighting with us, but that's it. That was there for years. That was just not good. Alright, so cooking oil, get the bubble gum out. Bye bye.